Doon Ghati College of Professional Education imparts professional education in the field of management, information technology, and home science. The college is affiliated to HNB Garhwal University, Srinagar, Garhwal, and is approved by the state government, Uttaranchal. In the field of management, college is running 3 courses: BCom, BCom with computerized accounting, and BBA. In the field of information technology, there are 2 courses, BCA and BSc Information Technology. College is also running 3rd stream of education, BSc in Home Science. All of these courses are 3 years degree courses and for boys and girls both. Besides this, college also runs 1-year PG diploma course in Travel and Tourism Management, Mass Communication and Journalism, and Advertisement and Sales Promotion and Sales Management. College is very soon going to start a new course, B.Ed, from the very next session.
Welcome to Dehradun and Doon Ghati College of Professional Education. We are here to give you rise, to give you counseling, to give you growth for your future prospects. We are here for you to give you a proper career and to grow in your life.
The college has a team of highly qualified and dedicated faculty. They are experienced professionals from their respective fields. Top-class achievers and experts from the field of industry and computer education are invited by the institute to address and interact with the students. College management has established fantastic infrastructure and facilities for students such as modern library services, providing resources and information services to support students' learning and research, special and well-equipped home science labs, audio-video based training and information, spacious, airy and well-equipped lecture halls and conference halls, and air-conditioned computer laboratories offering best computing services to students. College is situated in hill area and has wonderful scenic beauty and a pleasant climate.
I am here to tell you about BSc Home Science. This is a professional course uniquely started in Doon Ghati College of Professional Education. In fact, this is the first time this course has been introduced in Uttaranchal. It includes 5 streams under this course. We have food and nutrition, second is apparel and fashion designing, third is communication and extension, fourth is human development, and we also have
all students of the college have a prescribed uniform to wear. College management takes special care to keep healthy atmosphere here. Separate hostels are available for both boys and girls. Canteens and cafeteria provide a big range of food and beverages. College is a large multi-campus institution which has not only a pollution-free but also a peaceful and pleasant environment. College adopts a unique methodology of providing education to students which aims to the overall development of the students. It is done through regular classes, special build-up classes for personality development and communication skills, group discussions, debates and seminars, internship and training facilities, sports and other recreational activities, and industrial tours. The college follows the same fee structure as proposed by the HNB Garhwal University, Srinagar at the time of admission. However, the college proposes to grant a fee concession to the following categories of students: 25% fee concessions to the children or ward of defense personnel, to the students scoring 75% or above at 10+2 level, and to the national or state level players. Next year's free education to those students scoring highest marks at university level in their annual examination. Besides this, on a special request, college also provides education loan facility to the students from its authorized banks. As proceeding towards building college as one of the largest colleges in India, its success is built on the achievement of its students. College management gives them enough space to explore their potential and produce outstanding results for the organization. College not only focuses on placement of students in high-profile companies and industries in the country, but also gives them opportunities to explore the international markets as well. Hence, gives them scope for placements in India and abroad. The institute has a committed and resourceful placement division which provides all possible assistance to the students and coordinates between them and prospective employees for on-the-job training and final placements. This section interacts with different placement agencies regularly to maintain a database of prospective employees in India and abroad. The college gives students the freedom to be outstanding.
हमारे कॉलेज में एडमिशन के लिए आपको 12th के बाद के कोर्सेज हैं हमारे पास ग्रेजुएशन लेवल पर, जो कि कॉमर्स साइड के बच्चों के लिए बीकॉम CFA कंप्यूटर फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग और BBA मैनेजमेंट का कोर्स है। IT से रिलेटेड कोर्स BCA BSc IT और एक खासकर गर्ल्स के लिए BSc होम साइंस। हमारे कॉलेज में हॉस्टल अवेलेबल है, गर्ल्स बॉयज़ दोनों का सेपरेट हॉस्टल है और फैसिलिटी घर जैसा वातावरण है। एक तरह से बोलते हैं जैसे हॉस्टल में बच्चों को काफ़ी फ्रीडम भी दिया जाता है और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि यहाँ के जैसे भारतीय संस्कृति और परंपराएं इनका भी ध्यान रखा जाता है।
दून घाटी कॉलेज ऑफ प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन उत्तरांचल की राजधानी डोईवाला देहरादून में स्थित है। इसका निर्माण कार्य 2002 में प्रारंभ किया गया था और 2004 में 18 जून को माननीय मुख्यमंत्री उत्तरांचल शासन नरेंद्र तिवारी जी ने इसका लोकार्पण किया था। इसी अवसर पर माननीय श्री हीरा सिंह वीर जी टेक्निकल मिनिस्टर, माननीय श्री नरेंद्र सिंह भंडारी जी एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर व सहकारिता एवं पशुपालन मंत्री प्रसाद नथानी जी भी उपस्थित थे। 2005 में और 6 के लिए NCT से हमारा कॉलेज मान्यता प्राप्त हो चुका है B.Ed कॉलेज चलाने के लिए। और साथ ही साथ हम ये भी बताना चाहेंगे कि हमारे कॉलेज में आगे और PG कोर्सेज जल्दी से जल्दी प्रारंभ किए जा रहे हैं।
To dream the impossible dream, to fight the unbeatable foe, to bear with unbearable sorrow, to run where the brave dare not go. College has a mission to provide every student the quality education for developing leadership qualities to face the new challenges with courage and accepting the responsibilities for building the nation. A place where vision meets reality.